Hey guys, we are welcome back to today's class. We are going to dive into the last rules of differentiation here. Yesterday we discussed about the product rules, and today we discussed about the quotient rules. And we're looking at the example to solve it. Yesterday I've explained expression when it's in a question of how you can identify it, explain it, and how it is expressed. Okay. For those of you that haven't joined yesterday's class, I've dropped the link to the comment section so you can go through it and join yesterday's class. So we all have the key understanding of what we have been taught so far under this differentiation. So let's dive into it. So yesterday I explained that whenever it's in the question or whenever it's in the expression of the quotient rule, it has its own basic expression you follow. For example, when you're given us y is equal to, that is u over v. So with the quotient rules, it's still that you should lose this v constant. So we have v constant and differentiate u respect to s. That is the u, okay, ds minus you lose your u constant. So u will be constant and differentiate what v respect to s. So that's what the v, okay, ds, and everything divided by v square of v. That's the general expression of the quotient rules. So when you have y is given as u over v and we try to differentiate it with respect to s, for the first, leave the numerator constant, that is v, and differentiate this u numerator respect to s minus you leave this one constant and differentiate towards v respect to s. That is what I did here, and everything divided by v square. That is the numerator square. Now, when you have a expression like this in a question, in this upcoming WAEC examination or JAMB examination, you should know that that is how you express it. Now, let's compare what we have here. Let's just solve this question here. I've also solved this question here in the previous class. That was previous class. So if you don't attend this class for this product tool, this is example of product tools, and I gave you an assignment on based on that. Okay, this is already submitted. I've did the correction for you guys. Okay, now let's dive into this question here. In case you're given a quotient like this, how to solve it? That is the question. Now let's apply how to solve this question here. Okay, how to solve this question here using this expression. If you look at it, the numerator is represented as u here, and the denominator is represented as what? As v here. So definitely you can express it in this way. Now let's say this place, this our numerator here, s squared minus 4, everything is power of 2. Let's to be our v, our u. So let me say that let me see the solution. Ciao, start again. Sorry, I think, okay, try to this pen I used to do that. So our solution. So let's say that our u is equal to, so let me try to write it there. That u is equal to, what's happening? So let's sorry about that. U is equal to what? That is s what? S square, okay, minus 4, and everything with power of what? Of 2. And our v, okay, v is equal to, we have a 2s square plus 1, and everything with power of what? Of 3. Now we have said that therefore this one becomes isn't we have here as this one becomes, that is y now is equal to, that is u over what? V. So the same thing we have here, this is to say that this one represents as u and this one represents as what? V. So therefore y is equal to u over v. Now let's differentiate it what? Let's differentiate it with respect to what? S. Now what you just have to do here is for the first find this one. Okay, you first differentiate this one. When you differentiate this the u ds, so it means that you have to differentiate this one, this u with respect to s, and also the v ds means you have to differentiate this one with respect to s. You know, this one in the previous class, this one we're discussing about chain rules. Okay, this discuss about chain rules. So when you have an expression like this, okay, it's as the part they are just talking about what? Chain rules. Okay, so use the chain rules to differentiate this. Now how do you apply it? So you said our u is all there. So you represent this one by a letter. So let me represent as letters t. Let's say t is equal to, I want to find, remember I want to find about du, okay, du ds. So I can just differentiate it. Before I can use the UDS, this example like this is an example of what chain rules. It's an example of chain rules. So I need to apply our chain rules to solve it. Okay, now, so let's say that this is equal to t. We have s squared, okay, s squared minus 4 is equal to t. So definitely our u now, our u is equal to that is t is power of what is power of 2. That is the value of our u. Now say you say that t is equal to this and u is equal to 1 this. Now you can differentiate it with respect to s when you are using what quotient rules. It means that you first of all differentiate this t and also differentiate this u, and then you multiply it together. That will give us the UDS. Now the general expression for quotient, the general expression for chain rules is given that when you are finding what the u, okay, the s, okay, is equal to, that is equal to the t, okay, respect what the s, multiplied by, okay, we have the u respect what the t. So this one we cancel, we still have the UDS here. So that is quotient root for that. What to say that st is represented as certain t here. So you have to differentiate that t respect to s and also differentiate what this u respect to that t. So when you use to expand this to UDS, this is what it gets. The answer you get here and the answer you get after you differentiate it and then multiply together, and then we get all the UDS. Now let's create a more space so we can dive into the solution of it. So let's say that in this case now, let's differentiate our TDS. So we want to differentiate this one with respect to s. So when you differentiate the TDS, we have our dt, okay, ds over ds. So let's differentiate this one with respect to s. This is a constant. This constant is equal to 0. Okay, anything constant that is equal to 0 because it does not contain s, so it is tend to be 0. Now the power here, the index will multiply by the base. That's what 2, okay, multiplied by s, and you subtract 1 from this 2 here. That's what means 1. So it means that 2s. So 2 is power 2s is power 1. That anything is power 1 that's not visible. So when you are differentiating toward the t, when you differentiate this t respect to s, the answer is equal to this. So you have got the answer for the t, the s. Now let's go to the what the u. Let's differentiate toward the u, the t. So we want to differentiate this with respect to t. So let's say command, and you have the u, okay, the t. So the u, the t now what to be the answer? The base, the index here, we multiply by the base. That's equal to, that is t, that is 2. Okay, and then what you just have to do here, you subtract 1 for this. That's what 2 or t. Are you getting it now? Now the next thing you have to do here, let's apply it to this formula. Now here get our therefore the u, okay, the s is now be equal to, okay, the u, the s will now be equal to, so we have the tds. The tds is equal to what? 2 or 2s multiplied by the u, the t is equal to what? 2 or t. So when they multiply together, it will be equal to that's our the u what, the u, the s, it will be equal to, that is 2 times this as equal to 2 what, 4s. 2 times 4, that give us what as 4s. 2s plus 2 here, 2s times 2 here, that give us 4s. So this t, that is 4st, but we said our t is equal to this, so I would like to put in the brackets and multiply by what t represent as this. We have what s squared minus 4 close brackets. So the answer of the u, the t is equal to this. Do you get it now? Answer of the u, the t is equal to what? This. Now let's dive into the next one. So our du ds is equal to 4s open bracket s squared minus 4. Then we have found what our what we have here, du ds. We will get it now. We will get our du ds. Now let's find the v ds. So let's create a space here. I think this can contain it. Now let's find our the v ds. To get our dvds, say instead our v is equal to this. Now you use what quotient rule. So let's v is given as what 2s squared plus 1. Everything is raised by of 3. So let's say this one also represents as t. Okay, let me use another number. Let's say it represents what number can I use? Let's say it represents as b. So let's say this one represent as b. So your b is to be equal to, that is equal to 2 or s squared plus 1. Okay, now our v number now becomes, that is what that is a b is power of 3. Now you have to differentiate this one to get the v. Okay, the s is to be equal to, that we use our quotient rule. You first of all differentiate this one with respect to what s. Okay, that's equal to what the b. Okay, respect to what the s multiplied by, and also differentiate this one with respect to b. I get now. So that will be equal to what the v over the b. I get now. So when the b and the b cancel, we have the v over the s. That will give us this. So let's find out the b, the s. So let's differentiate this one. The b, okay, the b, okay, the s, it will be equal to, when we differentiate this one with respect to s, this is a constant, it's always equal to 0. So the index multiplied by the base 2 times 2, that's equal to what? 4. So we have 4. And for s, okay, so subtract 1 for this period, that gives us what? That gives us s with power of 1. So into this power of 1 is that thing. So you have a 4s. So that simply means that the bds is equal to 4s. So you have gotten that. So let's find out the v, the b. So I want to differentiate this one with respect to b. So the index here we multiply by the base, that's equal to what? 3 what b. I will subtract 1 from this place, that is equal to what? 2. So that is b with power of 2. So this simply means that the b is equal to 3b squared. Now let's put it into what we have here, and then we get our answer. So we have the v, okay, the s is equal to, and here we have the b, the s. The b, the s is equal to 4s. So we have a 4 what s multiplied by, and also the v, the b is equal to 3b squared. That is 3 what b squared. Now what just have to do here? Let's multiply together. 4s times 3, that will give us 12s. So definitely we have the v, okay, the s is equal to 12 what s. And remember, this our b. So our b, it represents as 2s squared plus 1. So you have to replace this b with it. When you get to replace it, you have to open a bracket to avoid mistake. That's equal to what? 2s squared plus 1 close brackets. And notice this power of 2 here. So you have to put it as this power of what? Of 2. So that means that our dv ds is equal to 12s. Okay, 12s open bracket 2s squared plus 1, everything with power of 2. That is the answer of this. Now since you have gotten this and we have gotten this, now let's put it into the general expression of the quotient rule, and then we get our answer in a very simple way. So let me create a space so we can dive into that. So let's put this one in. We have our v, we have our, sorry, let me put my pen out and try to make the board. Okay, yeah, let me first solve it if it comes to this space. So we have our y, okay, our y, our dy ds is be equal to, we have v to leave what? So this one is the y, okay, you have to leave this one v constant. What is our v? Our v is represented as what? As this, that is 2s, or we can say that is 2s squared plus 1. So we have to leave it constant. That is meaning of this v. So it means that we have a 2 open bracket 2 or 2s squared plus 1 close bracket, everything is power of 3. So you have left that one constant and multiply by the v, the s. And what do you get as our the uds rather? What do you get as our uds? We get our uds is equal to what? 4s. So let me open bracket, okay, open bracket, we have 4 what? 4s, and also open bracket, that is what? The s squared minus 4 close bracket. So everything you have to close bracket because of what? This one is inside bracket of this, that's why I have to close the bracket here. Now we have done with this part, so let's go to this one. Minus, we have minus, okay, now we have u, right? We have to tell u constant, so you have to write this u, and u is equal to what? So u is equal to s squared minus 4. Okay, let me try to show it very well because this place has blockades. Okay, you can all say it very well now. So u is equal to s squared, so you can open bracket, that is equal to what? S squared minus 4, everything is power of 2. That is U constant. Now our dVds. Our dVds we have of this, so let me try to open brackets. That's equal to what? 2 what? 2s open bracket. I mean 12s rather. This one is 12s. Not it, please. This one is 12 for 12s. 12s. Okay, let me make links. Okay, it has cleaned. So this one is 12, that is open bracket. We have a 12 for s, okay, open bracket, and our 2s. That place doesn't contain it. That place doesn't contain it. What can I do? Okay, let me try to write it down here. So just put that this is the coordination of it. So this one multiplied by, So this one is multiplied by, we have 12, 12 multiplied by, let me put this one as multiplication, multiplied by, that is all 2, okay, 2s square, okay, 2s square plus 1, everything is raised power of what? Of 2, raised power of 2. So it means that this one is multiplied by this, because our dVds, we have this. I get now. So for this place not to contain it, so I will try to shift to this place, so this side here. So what you just have to do here, you look at the one that are like. Okay, look at the one that are like. Here we have a s square. In this part, okay, everything divided by, I haven't completed it, everything divided by v square. Our v square is our v, that is what raised power of 2s of this, that's equal to, you have 2 what? S raised power of 2, okay, plus, okay, 1, everything raised power of what? Of 3. And also we have to find the square root of it, v square, that is square, according to what we have here. So this one means what? Square. Now let's put this, let's take it back to this part. So the first part here, we have our dv, we have our I think there's no any, so I need to clean some part there. Okay, let's go first. So let's say our dy, okay, the y ds is equal to, so let's put this one on. So if you should look at these parts, let me try to solve it in a very fast way. If you look at this part, we have a what? 2s square raised power of 2, 2s square plus 1 raised power of 3. It is common to both sides there. We have a 2s raised power of plus 1. This one raised power of 2. Y s square minus 4 is raised power of s square minus 4 here. It's common here. While this one is raised power of 2 here. So you can pick the common factor outside. So if I pick this one, the one is the highest. This one is power of 3. Y is raised power of 2. So you pick the lowest. So this one will be outside, okay. And also the factor of this, they are common to both sides. So this one is raised power of 2, this is raised power 1. So you have to take this one outside. So when you take this one outside, what's remaining? So let me pick this one out here. So that will be equal to, that is we have 2. You have, let me put the bracket, we have 2 or 2s, okay. 2s plus power 2 plus we have 1, okay. And everything is power of what? Take the lowest one, that's the lowest one is power of 2 because it's power of 2 there representing. And second one we have also s square minus 4 is also common to both sides. So we take care of, so this one is the lowest one, while the second one has a the second one is power of 2. Now what will now remain, since we take this one outside, now what will now remain for this part? What remains in this part now? This one is power of 3. So when this one is power of 2, when divided by this, it remains 1. So therefore it means that in this part we have 2 is power of 2 plus 2 is power of 2 plus 1, it remains 1. So let's say it's open bracket for it, avoid mistake. And the second one also, that is when you use this one to divide by this, so it means that this one will cancel. So it remains what? 4s. So it means that we have what? 4s left. Okay, minus. So let's go to the second part. Let's go to the second part. So for the second part, we have this one is power of 2. We take 1 outside, so it means this one remains 1. Okay, This one remains 1, and this one after dividing we have 12. Okay, this one remains 1, so we have equal to, we have s. So that will be open bracket, you have s raised to the power of 2, okay, s to the power of 2 minus 4, okay, because when you divide it to remain 1 there, and also when you divide it on, we have take this one 2s squared plus 1 outside raised to the power of 2 outside, so it means that it remains 12 here. So this one is multiplied by what? By 12. Let me put in bracket here, multiplied by 12 what? S. So let's close the bracket. So let's divide it by what we have here. So in the division we have it at this. So in this place, this one is investing power and this one also is power. That means that this power and this one can multiply together. That is 2 times 3. That will give us what? As 6. So therefore now the numerator it now becomes. So the numerator becomes, so let's divide it by, that's equal to 2 or 2s1 raised to the power of 3 plus 1 close bracket, and also raised to the power of what? Of 6. Because this 2 times 3 that give us 6, so that is what I get, this 6. Now the next thing you have to do here, if you look at this now, we have 2s raised to the power of what? 2s raised to the power of 1 here. It's also common to both, it's also common here. So this one 2s squared plus 1 is raised to the power of 2, so it means that 2 of these can cancel this. I get now. So this one, if it's not cancel, it may 1 here. So when you subtract it, when you cancel this one makes what? It makes 4. I get now. That is 2 minus 4, we have 4. So it means that 2s is power of 2, is power of 2, is raised power of 4. So if I write it out there, okay, before I write it out, I want you to take note of something here. Hey, let me write it out, let me say it step by step. I don't want to rush you. As dy the y ds is equal to, so it means what? S squared, okay, minus 4, everything in the bracket, and also open bracket, and everything is raised to the power of what? Of 2, open bracket, 2s squared plus 1 close bracket, we are multiplied by 4s, minus, we have the big bracket opened, we have s what? S squared minus 4, okay, everything is in brackets, and also multiplied by 12 what? S. So let's close the big bracket, and everything is divided by, since we have removed 2 from this space, so it means what? That is equal to what? 2 what? S squared plus 1, and everything is visible of what? Of 4. Now, I hope you are following now. So what is next thing to do here? If you can leave the answer like this, though, it's good, but you can still want this straight-up solution. You can still explain further. Because if you look at this part now, you can open this. You can open this bracket with this part. Okay, 12s times this can open it, and also this times this can open it, and then collect like that, you can still get your answer. I get now. Either leave that. For the sake of this video, because the length of this video, I would like to leave it like this, or let me try to explain further. Should I try to explain further? Okay, let me try to explain it in one more step, so in case you want to do it, so you can know to do it from that place. So it will be equal to, in this place, let's expand the bracket here. Let's expand this bracket here. So we have our s. Okay, I'll tell you that this thing can contain it. S is power of s minus 4, everything is power of brackets. So here we have our L with bracket 4 times 4s times 2s squared, that's equal to, that's 8s is power of 3 plus 4s times 1, that is 4 what? 4s minus, so this one is another thing entirely, because the minus we affect the bracket here. 12s times 8s, 12s times s squared, that gives us 12 what? S is power of 3 minus 12s times 4, that gives us what? That is a 48s. So we have done with this. So let me close the big brackets. So and everything divided by, okay, that is 2s squared minus plus 1, and everything to its power of 4. Now in this place now you can subtract. You can offer the first open bracket with this minus. One open bracket that is minus times this, that gives us minus 12s to its power 3. The minus times 1 that gives us plus. So you can find it out and find the common factor then, and then get an answer. So should we solve it? I think by now you should have understood how to solve it. This is very simple mathematics. But if you still assist, let me try. This is up to 24 minutes, but let's try to break it down more for the last step, so you guys can continue with it. So let me go in the space. I'm considering the space. think there is no space again. So there is no space. I don't want to clean it off. So we can stop that. We can start at this place, guys. So it's what you just have to do here to make the further answer. You can leave the answer like this, okay? You can leave the answer like this, but in case you want to solve it further, when you just open bracket with this time, this like give us minus. When you open bracket with this minus, this time data is minus 12s with power of 3 minus times minus, that is equal to plus what? 4s 48s, okay? And then you find the factor of this. So when you find the factor of this, that 4 is common, 4s is common to both sides. So take the 4 outside, and 4 is divided by this because 2s is power of 2s is power of 2. This one will be 1, right? This one to be 12s with power, let's go with 3s with power of 2. So this is like that. So that is how you solve it. So how you guys understand the question? You can leave your answer. I say that you can leave your answer like this, and if you still want to explain further, you can say explain further, because I don't want to clean it. That is why I have to leave it like this. So let's go to the classwork of today. I want you to try it. Next let me to drop it into my DM. So guys, so let's say it. Let's continue with it. We have the classwork of today. This classwork I have to give for you today. So solve this classwork, okay? Solve it and submit it to my DM. So guys, if you're new to my channel and you're watching video for first time, you like to join my support WhatsApp group, so just message me and submit this classwork to my DM for correction. So my number is, we have 090, okay, 61 rather. We have 61, okay, 22, we have 16, and 56. This one is 61, 090, 61, 22, 16, 56. Submit the classwork to my DM. Don't call it, just message me on WhatsApp. And submit the classwork to my DM. So I will take, if you made a mistake, I will take the step by step and how you can get it. So, but you must submit your idea before I help you out. So if you just come and say that I should explain for you without trying, I won't answer you. Okay, it's better you try it and let me know that you guys give it a best, and that's when you try, I'll correct you on your mistake. So guys, thank you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and touch the button, and share this video with your friend and family. God bless you as you do so. Bye for now, guys.